Hi Doonistas, it's me ThePecanTannedBeauty and welcome to my channel, or as always, I welcome you back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a quick unboxing, and so you guys know where this is from. So this is going to be just a quick unboxing of something that I recently picked up during the Dooney Bourke sale when they were offering a 30% off discount. So this is just a little something that I picked up, and I do already own this style in my collection. I have one other bag in this style, but I wanted to pick up another color, especially since it was at such a great deal, and I very rarely see this bag go on sale. And as a matter of fact, this is somewhat of a retired style. It's a style that I have seen years ago at the outlets as well as on Dooney.com. So I think they are bringing back some of their old stock that they have. So let's just see what I have. So I am gonna say I am a little bit nervous because in this particular color of bag, I do prefer it to be smooth. As you guys know, normally I'm not that picky as far as consistency and texture. So here is my invoice. Okay, so let's just see. So here is how it came packaged. So let's just see what we have. Okay, so as you can see through the plastic, this is the Dooney Bourke Florentine leather medium toggle crossbody in the color red. So it is actually looking pretty good so far. My concern was inconsistent pebbling, which, like I said, normally I don't mind, but in this particular color, I do prefer it to be fairly smooth. So it's looking good so far. That's how it's in the plastic. So let me just share with you again the item. So if it means anything, this is number 170 of 375, and wow, okay, this is perfect. So here she is, and again, this is the Dooney Bourke Florentine leather medium toggle crossbody in the color red. So she is a little bit pebbled, but she is consistent throughout, as you can see. Most people would probably say that this is pretty smooth, which I guess I will say it is pretty smooth. Oh wow, you guys, this is beautiful. And they call it the toggle lock because of how it opens and closes. It's with this toggle, very easy to get into and out of. Oh wow, okay. And I do own this in another color. I own it in natural. And it does have the dust bag. And it is very lightly stuffed. Oh wow, beautiful. Smells beautiful. So here she is. And she does have the adjustable strap where you can take out the center divider to make it a short shoulder bag. You guys, I love this. Look at this. I was so afraid that I was going to get one that was mixed textures, and like I said, in this color, I absolutely would have preferred it to be consistent throughout. So wow, this red is gorgeous. Look at this. This is a nice weekend type crossbody if you're going to the mall or if you're going walking around like at the flea market or something. This is an absolute perfect bag for those short weekend trips. So let's do some quick mod shots so I can show you how she looks on the body. And as you can see here, as I mentioned, she does have the 2 buckles where you can make it short shoulder, or you can carry her crossbody like this. Okay guys, so here is how she looks being carried using the crossbody strap. As you can see, very nice size, beautiful bag, very nice and slim. Okay, so now let's just see how she looks with the short shoulder. So what you do is you just unhook all the buckles, and then you do the other side. And then what you do is you just take your 2 buckles, what you have left, you connect them together, and I am going to put it on the longest setting, like that. And now let's just see how she looks being carried as a short shoulder. Okay guys, so here she is being carried as a short shoulder. This is kind of how it looks, so you can gauge arm room. Now let's just put it on the longest setting to see how much more room it gives us under the arm. Okay guys, so here she is on the shortest setting, and as you can see, she does not have much room at all. So let's just see how she looks on the shoulder on the shortest length. Does not pass the elbow test. Here she is. Not much room under the arm, but still not a bad carry. Okay guys, so thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. So as I always say, once you go Dooney, you go loony. So go out and get yourself a Dooney Bourke Florentine leather medium toggle crossbody in any color, because you definitely can't have mine. Bye guys.